day, another hustle up. So last night I masked the helmet, finished masking it, started cutting it. The process was so long, I ended up sleeping around 4 a.m. in the morning. Um, anyway, it's a good cold morning today, and I've finished cutting and removing the places I want to remove so that I can put my blue color. I really need to get a workbench because at the moment I'm working from the top of the boot of the car, and spraying. I just spray on the floor, on the ground, and yeah, I can show you guys how that looks right now. You can see that. So after masking it with the tape, I put my sketch. For those guys who didn't see it before, I put my sketch, then I cut it out just while using a razor, and that's how it looks. It was really tedious work. If I was to do it again, I wouldn't do this similar design. But as I said, I'm extra, and I like going the extra mile to get what I want. So yeah, that's how that looks. So now I'll mask out the sides with the newspaper. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll mask out the sides with the newspaper so that when I'm spraying, there's no overspray that goes on the black part that I already have. I want to keep it that black. It looks really nice. So yeah. So at the moment, just to what's next? Just to spray and let it dry. Put about 3 coats. I want to put 3 heavy coats, so that the first 2 coats will be light, then the last one will be really heavy, so the blue pops. Yeah. So I hope it goes well. I've done my part. Now let's just hope that the paint comes out well. Yeah, yeah. So let's do this. Yeah, my masking skills are nowhere close to perfect or near perfect, but I guess yeah, I learn as I go. Yeah. So I've masked the outside. Now I have the center part remaining with the decal that I had cut out. So now it's just to spray. Hopefully none will come out. As I said, shout out to Good Squad. These guys are like the masters of wrapping at the moment, masking out the cars and stuff. So yeah, it might work, it might hold. Yeah, so now let me go to my makeshift paint booth and spray some paint. Cheers. So the final coat is done, the 3 coats. I want to remove the decals as the paint dries, because if it dries, I'm scared it might pull out some. So that's how it looks like as of now. I hope the masking worked, nothing has leaked. I'll have to know after I've revealed everything, but that's how it is as of now. Yeah. So let me just hope for the best as I remove the tape. Oh, bit of overspray. Damn. This side is just dust. this side. Okay, not so bad. You can still work with that. Let's continue with the peeling. What's up, guys? I hope you like the cinematic view of the helmet. I hope I've showed enough angles to let you guys in, to get a feel of how the helmet looks. It was quite crazy, as I said. The design wasn't easy. I would have gone with easier ways, putting lines across the helmet, but I'm quite extra, as I told you guys earlier. And yeah, I had to do it and make it my own, personalize it to how I like it and how I'd like to work with it. So if you guys see me on the streets, holla. And if you've come this far, don't forget to subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Then like, then share to your friends. Cheers. I can't wait to wear this helmet and get on the streets and see how guys like it. Because I do.